Hari Om and a very good morning to everybody. So today is 13th of August. So let's discuss today's thought. Today let's go back to the Bhagavad Gita again. Bhagavad Gita is a motivation for human beings. The Gita is all about our awakening to our own potentials. Gita is not only to read or to discuss when we are in sorrowful state of mind. It is for the sorrowful state of mind as well as when we are joyful or happy. It is for every state of mind. It is for throughout our life. It is not to be excellent only once. It is to remain in that position throughout our life, for all of us. Everybody wants to be excellent every day, but it does not take place. But remember, everybody in this world is sometimes at a particular point of time was excellent. Once at least everyone was excellent, and we ourselves that time wondered how I could do that. Was it that I was so much good or I was excellent? So everyone is having that potentiality to be excellent, but we cannot maintain that excellence. Sometimes only it happens. After that again we come back to another just ordinary label of our thinking or reasoning or performance. What makes that difference? That once or twice we became excellent and after that we could not maintain that? So there is a lot of difference in that. Then what happened? What obstructed us actually? We need to think very seriously. The Bhagavad Gita gives us a reply. What really obstructs us from being excellent each time or to maintain that excellence every time? So Bhagavad Gita, anytime the reason is, if simplified reason we can think of, the reason is whenever we rise above our personal considerations and embrace a higher perspective, that time always we become excellent. And so, but we stop, whenever we stop thinking about this higher perspective and only think about our own self, the excellence never comes. So we wonder sometimes when we were excellent that how we could do. So that time you think, that time we might have thought higher. That is why the excellence came. So but why each time it does not take place? We can tap into our potential if we know how to do it. So that time how we had done it and how to do it further, if we can know that trick, we can always be excellent. So we can always excel in our performance. So we need to know what goes inside us. What is that inside which either helps us to grow, or stops us or obstructs ourselves to be brilliant. So sometimes we are brilliant, sometimes we do nonsensical behavior. So we wonder how I can be so much a great nonsense, but it is. So we have got two components, all human beings, a spirit component and a matter component. Spirit component is equal with everybody, whether it is in Einstein or it is any leader, great leader, anybody, or a criminal or ourselves. Spirit component is same. So what makes the difference? It is the matter component. Matter component is our body, mind and intellect. So these three are our matter component. So this BMI is different from one to the other. Then question is, what makes it different? Our BMI different from others. What makes it different? Which makes our emotion sometimes overflow? Which restricts it? Our reasoning is different from other. Our intellect works differently. So level of intelligence or lack of intelligence This is all. What is that genetic code which makes our BMI different from another's BMI? These our ancient rishis have decoded this genetic code. In the ancient time, they have got this reply. Should they know it? This is what is to understand today. So once we understand that genetic code, we can change ourselves. It is possible. So this is our Triguna, Sattva, Raja and Tama. This is the genetic code. That which makes our BMI different from the others. Each one of us is a mixture of Sattva, Raja and Tama. Everyone is having. We are Tamasic when Tamasic proportion is more. Sattvic when Sattvic proportion is more. Or we are Rajasic when Rajasic proportion is more. So we have taken birth with a particular percentage of all these three gunas. But we need not die with the same proportion. We can change it. It is possible for us to change. So this is called SRT code in us. Sattva, Raja, Tama code in us. How much we are having this pravrittis? Not necessarily we should die with that same proportion. Shall we not try to change ourselves? Shall we not try to change the proportion so that we can better human being, and always we should excel? We should remain in that excellent platform every time. So we have immense potential to change our qualities, and we can do it consciously. So to change the worse, we don't need anything, no effort. But to change for a better person, we need a lot of effort. For that we should first know what is it, how to change. So Sattva means purity. Rajas is being passionate, our passions, that which disturbs our mind. Always we are agitated. And Tamas is indolent, inertia, laziness, sleeping. So in the state of Tamas, first let us talk, because that is the third category and easy one to understand. Tamas is our ignorance. We are ignorant of anything. And ignorance is a bliss. So that is why we are ignorant of the whole thing, world, everything. So we remain happy, satisfied, okay, fine. So in our laziness, each one wants to stay in bed. Every morning we get up. Everyone wants to remain in the bed for some more time, maybe 5 minutes. That is inertia, that is laziness. So the joy which we want to get by remaining in the same status, that is laziness, that is tamas. One who has got whatever, little bit 10,000 rupees I am getting, a job I have got, but I never want to change myself because I don't want to do anything more. So that satisfaction is not satisfaction of, okay, whatever I am content, no. It is because I don't want to do anything. I am so lazy. I don't want to do anything more. For that reason, I remain there. Whatever, I am so selfish. I don't want to fulfill the desire of my wife or children also. There are many people. They don't even take care of their own family. So that is tamasic. There are 3 people in an organization. They are working 3 friends. So every day morning they take one auto and go to the office. A lot of problem is being faced. The first one says that, others say that, no, let us do something. The first one says, no, not necessary, it is okay for me. So that person, he doesn't want to change. It is not because of his higher value, but because of his ignorance, absolutely. And he doesn't want to do anything. He wants to remain in the same. You will see that whatever work you give and it is his duty, but still he wants to, remain away from it. He doesn't want to do anything. So, but he only wants that much to be done, what can make his job safe. But system is like that, so he keeps on. His job only is safe. He doesn't want to do anything more. And second friend, he wants to know, I want to have a car so that I do not have to go by this auto. So he wants car, he wants something else, he wants something more. So because of that, his mind is vikhipta, agitated mind. He always wants more and more, but he doesn't know how to achieve it. He wants a lot of materialistic thing, but he doesn't really want to deliver that much. He doesn't want to do that much, but he wants more. So his mind is always agitated. So somehow he manages. But third one, he doesn't only concentrate on material gain for himself. He wants to do, he contributes for the whole nation, for the whole society. He is a motivated person. He is very happy to do his work for a higher perspective. His goal is always higher. Whatever I do, it will be for others. It doesn't think of himself. He concentrates on his work and ultimately he wants to do it for a higher perspective. So he gets a lot of joy. That joy always motivates him to do something new. And while doing all these things, he is thinking higher, but his own desire also satisfied, and he does something more for the society. He is sattvic. He is content because he knows the higher. That's why he is satisfied. He is not having any problem in mind. He is not an agitated person. The Rajasic is discontent because he wants more and more. His knowledge is partial. Sattvic, completely he knows what to do, higher perspective. And the Tamasic is totally selfish. He doesn't want to do anything. He remains in that, he wants to remain in that state of mind. So these are the three kinds of qualities which are there in human beings, in short. So we can elaborate these if you all desire, that how to come over all these qualities, and each quality in an elaborate way we can discuss and think over in the further days actually. Thank you very much. Hari Om.